Hello my dear students, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have to read balancing method. Balancing method. So there are mainly three types of balancing method. First one is hit and trial method. Second one is ion electron method, and third one is oxidation number method. Means oxidation number method, ion electron method, and hit and trial method. But in class 10th we have to read only hit and trial method, ion electron method and oxidation number method. This is the part of class 11th and 12th. Okay, so let's see some examples based on hit and trial method. Suppose that sodium, this is sodium, when react with O2, means sodium when react with O2, it gives Na2O. We have read that what is balanced equation. In balanced equation, the number of atoms of reactant equal to the number of atoms of product. So here 2 atoms of oxygen is present, but here only 1. So by multiplying 2 here, means in RHS we get 2 atoms of oxygen. Now the number of atoms of oxygen in LHS and RHS becomes equal. Now here the number of sodium atom is 4, so by multiplying 4 in Na, this is the balanced equation. This is balanced equation. Okay, this is called hit and trial method. Let's see another example. Suppose that magnesium hydroxide, this is magnesium hydroxide, when react with HCl, it converts into Mg and Cl2 plus H2O. So here only 1 atom of Cl is present, so by multiplying 2 we get 2 atom of Cl, and also here 2 atom of Cl, means the number of chlorine atom in LHS and RHS now equal. Here total number of hydrogen atom is 4 and oxygen atom is 2, and here only 1 oxygen and 2 hydrogen atoms. So by multiplying 2 we get 4 hydrogen and 2 oxygen, means now this is a balanced equation. Now this is a balanced equation. Okay, let's see another example. Suppose that Fe, iron, react with O2, it gives Fe2O3. Fe2O3. So to balance the given equation, we have to multiply it by 2 in RHS. Now the total number of oxygen becomes 6, so multiplying by 3 in O2 and multiplied by 4 in Fe. This is the balanced equation. Okay, next Next one is when sodium react with water, it gives NaOH and hydrogen gas. I'm sorry, sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen. Okay, now first step, we have to write this equation in symbolic format. So symbol of sodium is Na, water means H2O, gives out sodium hydroxide means NaOH, and hydrogen means H2. Second step, we have to balance this equation. Okay, so here total number of hydrogen is 2 and here 3, means we have to multiply by 2 over here and 2 over here. Now the number of sodium atom, the number of oxygen atom become equal in both side, and also the number of hydrogen atom, 2 to the 4, and here 2 plus 2 means 4, also equal. So this is the balanced equation, means we can also write it Na plus H2O gives out NaOH plus H2 multiplying by 2 over here. This is chemical equation, this is symbolic form, and this is balanced equation. Okay, so let's see another example. Let's see another example. Calcium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide gives out calcium carbonate plus calcium carbonate plus hydrogen, not hydrogen, calcium carbonate plus water. So calcium hydroxide means CaOH whole twice, carbon dioxide means CO2 gives out calcium carbonate means CaCO3 plus water means H2O. So here one calcium atom and also here one calcium atom is present. Here total number of oxygen atom is 2 and 2 means 4, and here 3 plus 1 4 oxygen atom, also 2 hydrogen and 2 hydrogen, means this is a balanced equation. Okay, next one is zinc plus silver nitrate gives out zinc nitrate plus silver. Okay, so zinc means Zn, silver nitrate means AgNO3 gives out, zinc nitrate means ZnNO3 whole twice plus silver means Ag. Here 1 Zn, 1 Ag, but and 1 NO3. 1 NO3 here, total NO3 is 2. So by multiplying 2 we get 2 AgNO3. Now by multiplying 2 in Ag we get 2 Ag, means this is the balanced equation. Let's see another example. Aluminium plus copper chloride gives out aluminium chloride plus copper. Aluminium means Al, copper chloride means CuCl2. देखिए यहाँ पे कॉपर नॉर्मल वे में लिखा है, यहाँ पे क्यूप्रस या क्यूप्रिक नहीं लिखा हुआ है, तो नॉर्मली हम इसको CuCl2 ले रहे हैं. ठीक है. एल्यूमिनियम क्लोराइड मीन्स AlCl3 plus copper means Cu. So total number of chlorine is here 2 and here is 3. So we have to multiply by 3 and 2. Just exchange this number. Okay. So here total number of Cu is 3 and here total number of aluminum is 2. So this is the balanced equation. Now this is the balancing method, hit and trial method. Okay. Next topic is types of reaction. Next topic is types of reaction. We have to read types of reaction. So there are some important types of reaction. First one is addition reaction. First one is addition reaction. This is also called combination reaction. This is also called combination reaction. Next one is substitution reaction. Next one is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. Next one is exothermic reaction. Next one endothermic reaction. Another is oxidation reaction, and next is reduction reaction. So these are important types of reaction which we have to read for the class 10th. Okay, so in detail we will read it in the next video. Thank you very much.